Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. For today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY cell phone case. This is going to be part 2 of those hot glue gun cell phone case phone series. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want a detailed video, check out part 1 of this series, and you can find the instructions and everything here. It's quite simple. You just need to follow the first steps. I'll link part 1 in the description below, and you can click it right up top. This one is a little bit different from the one that I did before, where I placed the phone down, face down. This one I'm just gonna place it up, and then I'm gonna put the hot glue gun on it because I want a nice border, and I'm not going to decorate it. So after doing that, then you can hold it in your hand, or you can leave it and then you can let it dry, and then after, you can just continue as seen in the video. For this one, I want a dripping effect, so I'm just going to take the hot glue gun and hold it from the front and then just let it run down. And after doing that, then I'll just clean it up, the long ones, cut it off, and then to just like create, a falsified water dripping effect. Using the iron part of the hot glue gun to melt it and smooth off the parts that I already cut. Use your tweezer to pick it out so that, if you're gonna spray paint it or anything, then you have a cleaner look. This can be the finished product, but I wanted it to be colorful, so I'm just gonna spray paint it with some pink paint, and then we're done. so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. Until then, bye guys, love you so much.